Hey everybody, we're in downtown Vancouver today and in the beautiful and exciting sub-area of Yaletown. Despite its lengthy history, in more recent years it's been transformed into one of the city's chicest neighborhoods, filled with residential loft spaces, sidewalk cafes, cool new restaurants and bars, unique shopping, and gorgeous parks, the trendiest new workout classes, and so much more. Sitting along the south side of the downtown Vancouver Peninsula, Yaletown is bordered by Richard Street, Robson Street, and False Creek. Ready to learn more about some of the coolest spots in town? We'll get into it right after this. Yaletown includes some of the nicest parks in the city of Vancouver. These waterfront parks are a big draw to Yaletown. Not only are there tons of people that enjoy them, but I have a speculation that Yaletown may have the highest dog per capita in the city. Cooper's Park is a great off-leash park for dogs of all sizes and a very popular spot for people to come and let the pups play. There is also Emery Barnes Park, George Wainborn Park, where we are today, and David Lam Park, just to name a few, all located in the midst of the bustling life of Yaletown. David Lam Park embodies some of what Yaletown dwellers value the most: art, fitness, and nature. There's great views everywhere, as well as ample activities within the actual parks, including tennis, basketball courts, volleyball nets, and playgrounds for the kids. The city's Seawall runs along the water and connects to both David Lam and George Wainborn parks. Great thing about the Seawall too is there's two locations for the Aquabus. And for a $4 round trip, you can go to anywhere: the Science Center, Granville Island, over to Stamps Landing. Pretty cool, even just to go for a little tour. It's just so pleasant and so relaxing. One of the coolest features about Yaletown is the Roundhouse. Way back in the late 1800s, right behind us, was the Roundhouse, the turnaround area where all of the trains, the engines came to get repaired. They rolled into this contraption here and they can rotate them around and send them into different booths to get repaired. Pretty amazing, and it's still here. The neighborhood's historical roots are also evident in the form of the first transcontinental passenger train, which pulled into the city in 1887, which is on display right over there at the Yaletown Roundhouse Community Center. Yaletown, in the beginning of the turn of the century, was mostly an industrial commercial area. And in that area were these old red brick warehouses. They were built to include exterior platforms to allow for easy loading of textiles onto trains to be sent back east. Those same platforms are now repurposed as sunny urban patios for the perfect brunch, afternoon drinks, and summertime dinners. Speaking of that, let's head over there right now. Yaletown is Vancouver's premier dining district with over 80 food and beverage establishments within a 3-block radius. This historic neighborhood also has the most number of patios compared to any other area in Vancouver. Yaletown is a place for a celebratory seafood dinner, which is Rodney's Oyster Bar, a relaxed bistro meal, or a family feast. There are lots of dining options, making it easy to stroll the area first before choosing a restaurant. Some of my favorites are the Blue Water Cafe and Chiopino's. Just make sure you allow some time to explore the area's cocktail scene and nightlife afterward, with luxury lounges, lively neighborhood pubs, and dance floor filling nightclubs. This is an excellent place to spend the evening. A great feature of living in Yaletown is that there's an elementary school here, Elsie Roy Elementary. Great for the growing family, young family. Also, there's Dorthey Lam Child Care Center located at the same place. A great addition and help to every family that's in this neighborhood. An amazing addition to Yaletown is Vancouver House. In that complex, we have London Drugs, Freshco Market, and a whole host of other supporting businesses, retail, banks, lawyers, doctors. Everything's right here at your footsteps now. Yaletown offers noteworthy local shopping options also, and even window shoppers will love the cool boutiques, friendly service, and unique items that mostly locally owned stores offer. Between May and October, a section of Yaletown gets cut off and is transformed into a busy market with a chance to see what the local area has to offer. The Yaletown Farmers Market is a favorite of the locals and tourists alike. So that's a tour of the sub-area called Yaletown in downtown Vancouver. We sure hope you liked this video, and if you did, please click the like button. And for more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. So stay tuned. We have more videos coming up with the other sub-areas of downtown Vancouver. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.